In this video, let's go over how to add vehicle application areas. From the project overview page, you can find applications. And while you can use canned services for everything, application areas is another way to quickly set up your projects. By clicking Add Application Areas and then Select Part, we can see that this is preloaded with services for tint, PPF, coatings, and even vinyl. Let's set our project up now. For this particular vehicle, we're going to select the two front doors. They do need removal. We can add any notes, we can select the film type, and even add our price. Save and New will allow us to add another service, which we'll do now. This customer will also get a full front PPF. Save and New to add a new service. They're also going to get their wheels ceramic coated. Save and Close will take us back to the project overview. And here we can see the services that we added.